So today our objectives is actually we will discuss how the internet access has grown around the world actually, and how this growth of the internet connection users leads us to create new business opportunities in our region. And we need, of course, to discuss how marketing has changed actually from the old days to the new concepts that we live today, and we will talk about how technologies actually could affect our businesses, and we will touch base with some economic principles which are relevant to the digital world. This as the main objectives actually from this online workshop Maharaj from Google, and the contents will be around the world, how the world has gone actually into the digital, what are the digital opportunities we have, and what's the difference between marketing and digital marketing as a concept, and how we can utilize, of course, digital marketing channels for our services or products, how technology has affected our businesses, and of course, a few principles of the digital world. So, globally, as the world goes into digital, actually these days we have huge number of online users who are always in touch with us using their online channels. So we have more than 4 billion active internet users who actually access the internet, maybe searching for something, maybe accessing their social media network, maybe searching for something unique they would like to purchase or would like to read more about it. So we have more than 4 billion active users, and this number is actually is growing by time. This means that more than half of the population who live on the ground on Earth, they are connected to the internet. In the Arab world, actually, we have around 65% of the total population. They have access to the internet, so we consider them as an online users. We have more than 365 million smartphone users, and of course, they use the smart devices, to search for unique products, some added, maybe some services, maybe they search online for a solution for their problems. Again, the number is huge. And of course, point number four, it talks about that everyone who lives online actually get access to the internet for around 4 hours. This is actually the average number of the online users and how they can consume the internet daily. So approximately we estimated 4 hours per user in a day. For this point, do you think that you spend more than 4 hours a day online, or maybe you think that you spend less than 4 hours a day at online? Excellent. So I guess, yeah, of course, more. Yeah, I would say the same. Yes. Google is interesting. Google search engines actually have two things to do with the results we see on the first page. The first thing, we saw what we call search engine marketing, which is the ads that we see on the front of the first page of the Google search engine result pages. And all the way down, all this organic search results that is listed under the ads, under the ads on Google, it's called search engine optimization, which means it has been optimized on the website, on your website or your business website, and then Google has stored the main keywords on every single web page on your website. So, for instance, anyone searching for a very specific product, then he or she can see the results if it is optimized on the organic listing. And if you are promoting a very specific product for a certain keywords, then you can say anyone searching for my products in a certain region, then my ad will be showing up on the first results of Google search engine result pages as an ad. And this is how we can differentiate between search engine marketing and search engine optimization. Now, search engine optimization, it actually goes on to two elements. The first thing is we do some optimization on the website itself, page by page, and what we do an off-page optimization by building links using social networks, maybe social bookmarking, and of course on the web page itself, we can optimize the content, the HTML script, the architecture of the website, the structure of the website, and of course it should be all structured in a way that Google crawlers, when we get into your website, it will store the main keywords, and then whoever searching for those specific keywords on the table of content under Google indexing words, then the users who are searching for very specific product or a service can see our web pages, description, page titles on the first page of Google search engine. And in this case, we are trying to showcase our products for those people who are searching for our products using Google as a search engine, which is extremely important, very accurate. We are serving customers on the right spot. Google as a search engine is serving searchers who are searching for a very specific products that they might need to ask or buy online now. And this is how you can distinguish how Google work online and how social media could work as an ad platforms online. If we go to the search engine marketing basic terms, uh, each time our ads show on the first page of Google, this is called an impression. So impression, it could mean a number of times where our ads has been shown on the search result page. And of course, we need to know the clicks, how many people has clicked or how many users they have clicked on our ad. And in this case, we have a ratio, what we call it the CTR, click-through rate. Click-through rate means number of clicks divided by number of impressions. And if you work with SEM or search engine marketing on Google, you can get your CTR maybe more than 60%, 70%, which is very huge compared to social media CTR. So again, CTR on Google as a search engine marketing platform, you could have a CTR ratio very high compared to social media. That's because people using Google to search for a very specific product or service, and then they might end up clicking on your ad, on the ads that you have created for a very specific keyword, and of course for a very specific region in this case. If we follow all the points here, if we get a clear informative subject on the email, then people they might click and open it. It should be clear for everyone who is we are trying to pushing their emails to them. Try to avoid the capital letters. It could be marked as a spam, and of course, it could be your email should be customized to as a private message, which means that we need to highlight the name, maybe the position for the people who we are trying to send the emails to them. For example, we say Dear Hamid or Dear Ahmed, Dear Muhammad, but we cannot say Dear all or Dear subscribers. In this case, email marketing will be used as a mass marketing channel, but not as a private email marketing channel. It should be personalized. We should engage with people who see our emails as a private channel, as a personalized channel. And of course, we need to keep it short as a content. We might add one or three, maybe one, two to three products, very specific content, very limited keywords with direct call to action button all the way down. Maybe we can highlight it so when people might be interested with the products we are trying to sell, then they can click on the button, then they can go to our website, and then of course they can do the online transaction.